Gaff, let's go. That's part one. Now, Gaff, I'm going to get this up. Now, put this in here, right? Get it ready, right? And then, here's what I'll do the second one, right? Get fingers out there, Gaff. Up, right? Yeah. She said that? Ah, fair play. Yeah, you hold it. You hold it. Don't let it fall now. Now, get it over little by little, isn't it? Oh! You alright? Tyre on. Much easier than the last time. Now the tube is going up. Now, I nearly have the tube in now. And it's going in a lot easier now than the last time. And there's my last tyre. I took off the bike. This is the last tyre I took. This is the tyre I took off the bike. I got around Ireland on this now without one puncture. About 6,000 miles. So I've done very well with this tyre. If I can do as well with the next tyre, I'll be doing very well. Take her up the ring now. Where do Rexy
I'm on video.
All the day. If you've had your
I'm
fill
on
of
video.
You want me to sing on the video? If you've had your fill of porter and you can't go any further, give the man the order back to the K. So take me up the Monto, Monto, Monto. Take me up the Monto, Langaroo. Do you? The dirty Duke of Gloucester, the dirty owl and pastor. Took his ma and lost her up the Furry Glen. Woo! Oh, have your filthy on your face, buddy. Let's go. Now we're going to pump up this tyre and see if it stays up. Because usually when you change a tyre, sometimes you do nip the tube. I'm going to give this a try. Yeah, my assistant here is going to help me. Alright, Gav? You going to help me, buddy, yeah? Alright, come on. You're fixed in place now. Come on. Off you go. I'll give you a hand. I'll help you. Yeah, oh, very good. Very good. Now. Very good, guy. We're nearly there, buddy. Nearly there. Very good. Yeah, one more. One more time. Yeah, I think that's hard enough now, Gaff. It seems to be staying up, so we'll see how we get on.